Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Countach and this is a 25th anniversary edition. And I bought this and I think this is black color. Yeah, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. And this is by a company called UCC. So if you guys are wondering, okay, let's pull it out. Simple as that. Okay, here it is. Let me just pop this out. Yeah, okay. So I did show the paperwork in the last two videos, but anyway, if anyone is watching this video directly, here it is. So it has 5 castings. I have 4 of it. I don't have the Diablo. I really missed that one out. Let me see if I'm able to get that one in future. Okay, let me just put this box aside. So the box is really thick. If you guys are wondering, it is not going to break that easily. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. So it does have some paint job issues, as you can see, the paint rashes and all. So it has wiper details and it looks so beautiful. The wedge shape looks so beautiful. So you can see the Tomica one here. So that one is also the 25th anniversary edition there. And I really don't want to, take it out of the box right now because I don't want to mess anything up here. Okay, so it has acrylic headlights and it does look really nice with the proper headlight details. The logo placement is really awesome, and as you know, they are doing a very good job on this. So you can see there are tail light details as well, and you can see the logo placement here, the bull and 25, for the 25th anniversary. So it has exhaust details and it has some good chassis details as well. So if you guys are wondering, the body is fully made of metal and the chassis is plastic. So the tires are actually rubber and it is unique. I mean, it is true to the actual car. So you can see the rear wheel being wide and the front one being a narrow. So and these are rubber wheels. So let's see if this one fits the track. No, it doesn't fit. Okay, so okay, the original Countach actually fitted inside this, but this one is not. So which means this is a wider one, the 25th anniversary edition one. So let's do a roll test here at least. It rolls okay. So I'm not going to complain about this brand, maybe not that much, at least until they become a proper diecast manufacturers. So it doesn't have any interior, if you guys are wondering. So they tinted out all the window. You can see actually, I can able to see it from here that it doesn't have any interior. And I'm not sure about you guys because my phone actually has a what is that um, oh my god, I forgot the name of it. Privacy protector. Okay, so I can't able to see a lot of things clearly when I'm doing the video. So because the phone is kept at an angle. So you guys let me know in the comments whether you are able to see the interior. But apart from that, the entire casting is superb. It's really amazing. I'm really glad I bought this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.